So hello and welcome to a brand new video, everyone. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Pitaka case. This is the case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is the Mag-Easy case. So without any further delays, let's just unbox this and put this on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we can take this $20 off-brand case out of the 24 Ultra. So we have this packaging here. This was delivered to me sometime today, but I wasn't home and I went to the post office to collect it. I think there's just the case inside of it, so let's just open this up. Definitely not the best way. Every time I unbox, I always think to myself, I need to have a knife or something. Oh my god. So we have this box here with the Pitaka tape. Okay, so here we have two items. There is the case and there is the ultra thin something. So let's put this cardboard box aside and take the bubble wrap off. And what we see here is we have the Pitaka ultra thin and HD clear screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I think this was free included with the case, and this is the main star of the show. This is the Pitaka caseless thin Mag-Easy case for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's in the sunset colorway. This basically provides the protection to the S24 Ultra whilst, not making the phone very bulky. As you can see right here, this is my S24 Ultra, and even if I take the Apple MagSafe wallet out, you can see how bulky this is. And the main issue that I have with the bulkiness is that, bulk is good to protect the phone, but because I use my S24 Ultra for recording videos and I need to sometimes attach an external microphone, the main problem is that the USB-C microphone that I have, I cannot use because the case is so thick that the USB-C attachment does not go in, and I need to take the case out, which means that the phone is basically, not protected at all. With the Pitaka caseless thin Mag-Easy Case 4, I would at least have some sort of protection, which is going to be far better than having no case on the device itself. So without any further delays, let's just take the case out, and hopefully it should be very simple and straightforward. Oh wow, just look at this. That's it. Nice packaging. Ooh, and I just noticed this. It's magnetic here. See? Oh, wow. That's nice. So this is the case, and that's it. Like, if you look here, there's a MagSafe ring here. So yes, this is MagSafe compatible as with the name. So this is like really good feeling case, and it's very thin, but at the same time, it feels like, it's far more protective. It's covering the top and it's also covering the bottom, but there's an opening here, which means that I'm not going to have any issues with my USB-C microphone. And there's an opening here for the S Pen as well. There's an opening here for the speaker. There's a good opening here for the camera as well. Yeah, it just looks good in this colorway and it just feels so good. So let's see. I think I'll weigh the case as well. Let's see. Let me bring my weighing scale. Okay, I have my weighing scale here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Pitaka case, and it has no stickers, no nothing. So let's see how much this weighs in. And it's 26 grams. So the case is only 26 grams. So now what we can do is we can take this case out of the S24 Ultra, and then we'll try to weigh this. Okay, so I've taken the current case out of the S24 Ultra. So let's put it here and let's weigh it. So this is 45 grams and the Pitaka case basically is 26 grams. So there's quite a bit of difference. And the main thing is it is protective. It's not going to be as protective as this one right here, but this case I would always need to take out whenever I'm trying to record something using my USB-C mic. But with this, I don't need to take anything out. And I hate taking the case out of the phone because I sometimes have this feeling that I might snap something. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the scale. We're going to be applying the Pitaka case. So what we'll do now is, let's see, just do this. Ooh, and that's it. Just look at it. It's applied. Everything's done. Wow. It's so nice. You get to feel the actual phone. Oh my God. This is a really good case. I think I should order this for my iPhone 15 Pro Max as well. You still have access to your S Pen. You still have access to your speaker, and the USB-C is wide open there. So for my USB-C mic, I don't need to take the case out. And as I said before, this is still far better because it has some protection rather than having the phone caseless. So this is far better. And now I don't need to rely on this. If I'm going on some sort of hike or something where, it's good to have this, then yeah, I will be carrying this case. But for daily purposes, now I'm going to be relying on the Pitaka case because this is what I need. And I need the S24 Ultra for recording purposes almost daily. And I need to connect the USB-C microphone daily. So now I can do that without having to take the case out. And I'm really happy about that because my phone at least is not going to be caseless. And yes, this is not going to fully protect the phone and it's not going to protect your phone from like great heights, but this is something. Something is better than nothing. So with that being said, I'll end the video right here. This is the case that I wanted to unbox unbox and apply on my phone, and this is something that I had been waiting for weeks on after placing the order. Finally, it's here. Thank you for watching this video this far. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.